Hello, welcome to my channel Samyuktha Vinod, and today's video is about a simple everyday makeup which you can wear to college or office, and it is very simple and I have used very minimal products. And let's start the video. So I've already prepped my face, and the first step, here it goes. So I'm going to use Nivea primer. Nivea aftershave lotion is a primer, and I'm going to apply it on my face, and please do not forget to apply it in your neck also. And the next step is I'm using a CC cream. It's from Lakme. The shade is bronze, and I'm going to dot it all over my face. And it is a everyday, you can use it for everyday basis as it contains SPF. And I'm going to blend it very well. It is better to use fingers for this product as it blends very well than going for a brush or a sponge. The key for any base is blending it well so it doesn't look patchy. It may look slightly white, but later on it will settle down to my skin color. Next is concealer. I'm using Revlon colorstay concealer, and I'm applying it under my eyes, mostly in the inverted triangle shape for both the eyes. I also apply in the bridge of my nose for highlighting purpose and my forehead. And I'm going to spot correct using the same concealer wherever I have spots. And this look is basically like you will not have high coverage, so it's for easy, like you can wear it all day long. And I'm going to take a sponge and going to smudge it on. Take time to blend the concealer as it is quite thick than the foundation. You need to blend it well. It's basically a damp sponge, which means like I have wetted the sponge and squeezed out all the water. Next is setting the concealer. I'm using Lakme Rose Powder, which is 0 to Warm Pink. I'm using a sponge to set the powder all around my eyes, under eyes, as it will prevent the area from creasing. I'm setting it all over the face. I'm taking it to the neck as well. I'm just dusting off the excess powder with the brush. Next, I'm combing my eyebrows, filling it up. And do not ever forget to fill your eyebrows. I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow cake. I'm taking the second shade, like which is like quite dark gray color, and I'm filling in the my eyebrows are filled in. Next step, I'm going to use the same palette for eyeshadow. So as it is a simple look, I'm taking a brown shade and I'm going to apply the brown shade for the entire lid, as it will look natural. It's a matte brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to concentrate the color on the outer V of my eyes. As you can see there, I'm taking it to my crease line as well. I'm going to blend it so well. I'm using it in the lower lash line, the same brown color. Next step is I'm using a kajal. It's from Nykaa. I am 24/7 kajal. I'm going to line my upper lash line. So I'm going to tightly line my upper lash line. Take some time to do this step, and I'm tight lining my waterline as well. I'm using a smudger brush to smudge out the kajal which I wore for the upper lash line. Smudge it well, and I'm drawing a line, the same kajal in the lower lash line as well. I'm taking till inner corner. Like those are not comfortable with, you can stop it till the half of the lower lash line. As my eyes are bigger, so I usually draw it till the end, inner corner of my eyes. So once it is done, I'm curling my lashes. I'm using mascara. It's from Maybelline Colassal Volume Express Mascara. I'm going to give a good coat of mascara. I'm going to take the lighter shade from the Maybelline the Nudes palette, and I'm going to use it for brow bone highlighting. Next, I'm going to bronze my face. I'm using Lakme Sunkissed bronzer. I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm taking it to the forehead as well. Next, the final step is the lipstick. I'm using the Lakme lipstick in Coffee Light, which is a neutral shade. You can wear it for every day. And friends, this is the final look which I have achieved. So it's for daily use, like you can wear it every day for everyday activities. It is very simple, and I have used a very minimal products. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to give a thumbs up means a lot to me. Please do not forget to share the video. Thank you. Bye guys.